Ugitiri micini na mawira-ini ni undu ukoretwo ukigia andu aingi na andu guthie ngarama nene gwikira ngiri cia thitima ingi cia gukunya andu ona kamera cia kuoya mbica o uria maundu marathie na mbere. Indi ona maya mothe mariho wici no urathie na mbere. Ni undu utumite athunduri a maundu matiganite kuhanga gwetha wagiriru makiria hari kuhitana na wici. Undu uyu ni utumite Murutwo umwe wa thukuru wa Rift Valley Institute of Science and Technology oneka mweke ga kwiyaka na ga guteithia andu.
We are here with a project which is home security system. It is an alarm system where we incorporate sensors.
Nehemia Kameme athundurite macini ya kugiriria turia nime na njira ya kumenyithia ene mici ona mabiacara kuri na mugeni uraingira kwao matamwirigireire.
Mtu akijaribu kuruka fence
nerahura ngengere mundu akuhiriria nyumba ihingo kana thingo iria igathikitwo.
So when someone is approaching the fence, the alarm is going on. And when someone is approaching from the gate, you are also notified that someone is there.
Kameme aithuritie akoretwo agika uthuthuria wa mutambo uyu kuma ari thukuru wa secondary na thutha wa guthomera thukuru-ini wa RVC niho akinyanirie kiroto giake.
The components that we have used here is ultrasonic sensors kama hizi and an Arduino which is programmable.
Mutambo ningi no ugathikwo na kamera iria cioyaga mbica na gutuma thimu-ini kana kompyuta ya mwene mucii kungigia na igeria ria wici.
You can also incorporate electric fence whereby when it senses someone it turns on electric fence. So we will be utilizing the cost, reducing the cost of maintaining the electric fence because it will just go on at that specific moment yenye mtu imesense someone is approaching.
Kugathikirwo mutambo uyu Kameme arihagia gatagati ga ciringi 20,000 na 50,000 kuringana na kuria guothe mutambo uyu urabatarania.
Here we have used AC to power it on and also we can use solar. Because even that AC we have converted back to about 12 volts. The system is running at 12 volts. So except for the electric fence. So the rest of the system is running at 12 volts.
Muhega munene kuri Kameme ni ucindani munene kuma kuri kambuni nene iria ithondekaga mitambo o teno na iria iri igweta.
Someone is approaching. Mtu akijaribu kuruka fence. That is the case.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njita Gitau wa Wanjiku.